we are extraordinarily fortunate in this state to not only have amazing funders, but to truly have funding partners. And now we're going to turn it over to Courtney Nicolado from the United Way, who's another one of those great partners.
Thank you, Jessica. And I want to take a moment to thank and congratulate Hannah. I have built many a program in my career, and the moment where you get to sit and watch this become a fruition is an amazing thing. So hats off to you, congratulations. At the United Way, our vision is a Rhode Island where every individual in each community have equal opportunity for justice and prosperity. Yet, every day, our 211 community resource specialists hear from Rhode Islanders who are in crisis. They're calling because they're lacking housing, food, unemployment. But the root causes of the crisis are abundantly clear and are always the same. Poverty underlined by systemic racism and inequities. You can be impacted by poverty. White, black, brown, but a legacy of discrimination and racism means that poverty affects the higher percentage of our black and brown neighbors. The status quo is not working. The piles of documentation are not working. You have to think different, think better, think smarter. Neighbors also who are income volatile are affected financially, but the physical and psychological challenges that income volatility brings is substantial. Folks who are struggling with anxiety and depression, folks who are challenged each and every day, their health is being jeopardized as a result of their income volatility. The well-being of each and every one of our Rhode Islanders and their economic mobility affects us all. It is not just the folks that are in the middle of it, it is our entire community who will continue to suffer if we don't step up. A guaranteed income program can provide our neighbors with the dependability they need in order to build the future not only they want, but we want for Rhode Island. Rhode Islanders who are stuck, moving crisis to crisis. Think about how exhausting. Many of us have been in that situation. If you haven't, take a moment and think about it. They know what to do for themselves and for their families. They are as resourceful as one can get. You learn from folks who are in the middle of crisis. They need these tools. They need these resources. They need us to be different, to be innovative, to be smart. Providing our neighbors with financial stability can also reduce the need for expensive emergency supports and services that are provided in Rhode Island today. For these and all the reasons, we were more than happy to step up and proud to support this guaranteed income pilot in the City of Providence and thank the mayor for his leadership. And I love that we're talking about the future. So thank you, Senator Matt. Thank you, Representative Williams. We are talking about what will happen here. We'll also talk about the robust data we're going to get from this. And I'm so excited to work with the center on this work to really understand, and I guarantee you we will see a benefit. And so that benefit then means it is our turn, our chance to move this and to expand this and to scale this. And so I'm excited for that next step, and I anticipate that will happen. So together, as Rhode Islanders, we can and should find a solution to poverty. We have to think different. We have to be smart, and we have to listen to the folks who are struggling with poverty today. So I'm excited that this will be focused on that this will focus on collecting that data so that we can truly create racial equity and opportunity for all Rhode Islanders. Thank you so much.